Hi everyone, in this short tutorial I explain how you can simply create a scatter plot with ggplot2. For that you just need to load the library ggplot2. In the MPG dataset from ggplot2 we have an example dataset on different cars and different variables we are going to use for our scatter plot. So first, when we want to do a scatter plot, we use the ggplot function, and within that we need to define our data which we are going to use, and then we define the axis. For the x variable we are going to use the variable displacement, and for the y variable we are going to use the miles per gallon on a highway. So here we just simply defined our data and the axis, and now we need to define which kind of plot we want to get. So we want to get here a g-on-point plot which gives us a scatter plot. And now when we run that, we get a simple scatter plot with both our axes. And then we can simply do the same in a short version, so we actually don't need to type in data equal to, so we just can define it mpg. And within the axis we don't need to specify x and y, because here you already see always the first is the x and the second argument is the y. And we run that and we get exactly the same plot. Now when we want to get a third dimension, so for example we want to get the class of the car, then we also add within here, we can define different colors equal class, so for each class we get another color. When we run that, and as you can see here, the different classes have different colors. When we want to now change the third dimension, which is the color, we don't want to use the class, but we want to use the manufacturer of that car, then we can just simply change that here. And now we see we have the different manufacturers of the cars, and we also see that in our plot. So the next step, we want to add a title here, and also the axis label we want to change. So what we're going to do here, to add that we need a plus to specify another argument, and here we just use ggplot title and we write the title, so what our plot is about, and also the x label and the y label. So when we run that, you see now we have the title, and now we also have the x and y labels in the plot, so people understand what we are plotting. And now we additionally want a linear regression for each class. So for example, we want to see how the trend is within these green points, so for the midsize class. And for that we just need to add another plus and add the geom smooth as a method. We define the linear model, and when we run that, we have for each class kind of a trend line. So here for the two-seater we have this kind of line here, and for example for the pickup trucks we have this blue line here, which is just a linear model on the underlying data points. And now when we want one single regression line from the whole data, we just need to delete the color equal class, so we don't have it in here, so we don't add a third dimension within the plot. So we only have black points, and we don't want to separate the different classes. And now we just define this linear model based on the whole data set. Perfect. So if you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks a lot and have a nice day.